Medical marijuana has always been seen as something that is bad or evil. Some negative stereotypes are stoner, pothead, loser, lazy. I think it's time to start looking past these negative expectations and realize the medical benefits. What if marijuana had been created in a lab? Would it be legal? How many of you know someone who has been affected by cancer? It's something that I have seen firsthand. Knowing that there's something safe and effective out there that we are not using is very unfortunate. Here are some reasons why I think medical marijuana should be legalized. Medical marijuana is much safer than prescription drugs. Dr. Lester found that over 100,000 deaths have been because of prescription drugs. Over the 10,000 years of known usage of marijuana, there have been no deaths recorded. It is very easy to overdose on prescription pills, and marijuana is not lethal. In fact, it's beneficial. Prescription drugs, like painkillers, are very addictive. They are carefully prescribed, but are very easy to access. More than 2.1 million people will be addicted to prescription drugs in the next year. Prescription drugs are made in labs and are used with chemicals, and they have very bad side effects. Marijuana is not addictive or habit forming. It is naturally grown and is much safer than prescription drugs. Next, I want to talk about the health benefits of medical marijuana. There are many issues that medical marijuana can be effective at. One of them is Alzheimer's disease. THC, which is the main ingredient in marijuana, prevents the enzyme acceleration growth of Alzheimer plaques in the brain. It also helps with protein clumps, which help with memory. Another thing medical marijuana can help with is epilepsy. There's a study at the Virginia Commonwealth University which showed that ingredients in marijuana help control seizures. Medical marijuana also helps with multiple sclerosis. It helps with the pain in the arms and legs, which is caused from muscles contracting. In a study, patients also said that medical marijuana helps them feel good. Glaucoma is also something medical marijuana can help. It helps reduce pressure caused by the optic nerve damage. It also helps reverse deterioration. The main thing that I think marijuana helps with is cancer. It helps with the nausea, it helps increase appetite, and it helps reduce pain by a lot. In a study done by Christine Sanchez, she found that when you expose brain cancer cells to THC, it actually slowly kills the cancer cells. Finally, I want to discuss the history of marijuana. It has been around since the 17th century, and it was even recognized for medical purposes then. But people's minds slowly started to change around the 20th century. But it was not illegal until 1970. Now there are 19 states who have legalized marijuana again, even for recreational use. Recently, Colorado and Washington have been added to this list. Slowly, state by state, medical marijuana will be legalized. These are a few reasons why I think medical marijuana should be legal in the U.S. It's been around for a long time, there are many health benefits, and it is much safer than prescription drugs. It is a plant that is used to heal, and I think we should use it. So the next time there's an initiative for you to vote for medical marijuana, vote yes.